Take out part C24. Insert D10 into the corresponding hole of C24. Take out part C11. Attach C11 to C24 with D10. Take out part F5. Insert the small part into the corresponding hole of F5. Take out part F10. Insert the widget into the corresponding hole of F10. Take out part N1. Insert the widget into the corresponding hole of N1. Assemble component A. Take out parts C6 and A8. Insert D10 into the corresponding hole of A8. Fix C6 to A8 by D10. Take out part A6. Fasten A6 to A8 with D10. Take out part A7. Attach A7 to A6 with D10. Take out part A16. Attach A16 to A7 with D10. Take out part A5. Attach A5 to A16 with D10. Take out part F16. Insert the small part A8 into the corresponding hole of F16. Wet F16 with water first. Disassemble and bend after 20 seconds. Take out part F11. Insert the A8 widget into the corresponding hole of F11. Wet F11 with water first. Disassemble and bend after 20 seconds. Take out part N10. Insert the A8 widget into the corresponding hole of N10. Component B. Take out part A4. Take out part A10. Attach A10 to A4 using D10. Take out part B14. Fasten B14 to A10 with D10. Take out parts F13 and F15. Wet parts F13 and F15 with water. 20 seconds before disassembling and bending. Insert the small parts of A10 into the corresponding holes of F13 and F15. Take out part N28. Insert the A10 widget into the corresponding hole of N28. Spare parts are available for F13 and F15. Replacement parts are available in case of damage. Take out part M11. Take out two parts C14. Insert the two C14s into the corresponding positions of M11, C14 pattern side facing out. Note that C14 should be installed on both sides of M11. Take out two parts C13. Insert the two C13s into the corresponding positions of the M11 subassemblies, C13 pattern side facing out. Take out part M5. Insert M5 into the corresponding position of the M11 widget. Note that M5 needs to be inserted into the end. Spare parts are available for M5. If the part is damaged, it can be replaced. Take out part O29. Insert O29 into the corresponding position of the M11 widget. Take out part O18. Insert C10 and C9 into the corresponding holes of O18. Pay attention to the insertion position of C9 and C10. C9 and C10 have spare parts. If the parts are damaged, they can be replaced. Take out part M23. Insert the O18 part into the corresponding hole of M23. Pay attention to the adjustment of C9 and C10. O18 and M23 need to be fixed with C9 and C10. Take out 6 parts M26. Insert the 6 M26 parts into the corresponding holes of the O18 widget, M26 pattern side out. Insert the M11 widget into the corresponding hole of the O18 widget. Take out parts C4 and C5. Stack C4 and C5 on top of each other. Take out 2 parts G13. Attach C4 to C5 with 2 G13s. Insert C4 into the corresponding hole of the C5 widget. Note that the two C4s are installed on both sides of C5. Take out 2 parts M12. Insert the two M12 parts into the corresponding positions of the C5 widget. Insert the C5 widget into the corresponding hole of the M11 widget. Insert the M11 widget into the corresponding hole of the A10 widget. Form component C. Insert widgets A, B, and C into the corresponding holes in the model. Note that widgets A, B, and C are mounted around the giant central tower in the center. The mounting position should be the corresponding hole of the H6 component on the model. Take out part L2. Insert two G19s into the corresponding holes of L2. Insert G21 and G22 into the corresponding holes of the L2 subassembly. G19, G21, and G22 are long and fragile. Careful installation is required. Spare parts are available for G19, G21, and G22. Replacement parts are available in case of damage. Remove part L3. Insert L3 into the corresponding position of the L2 subpart. Insert L4 into the corresponding position of the L2 widget. Insert L5, L6, L7, L8, L9, L10, L11, L12, L13 into the corresponding position of the widget. Pay attention to the mounting order. Remove part F3. Wet F3 with water first. 20 seconds before disassembling and bending. Bend F3 and insert it into the corresponding position of the L2 widget. Wooden parts are fragile. Be careful when installing. Take out parts G34 and L1. Wet G34 with water first. 20 seconds before disassembling and bending. Insert G34 into the corresponding hole of L1. Install G34 on the side with the L1 number. Wooden parts are fragile. Be careful when installing. Insert the L2 module into the corresponding position of the L1 module. Remove part O15. Insert O15 into the corresponding position of the L1 widget. Take out 5 parts O13. Insert the 5 O13 into the corresponding holes of the L1 module. Check if there is any error in the installation. Insert the components into the corresponding holes of the model. Be careful to prevent O13 from falling out during installation. Take out part O32. Polishing and waxing O32. Insert O32 into the corresponding position of the model. Take out part R24. Polishing and waxing R24. Insert R24 into the corresponding position of the model. Take out part J2. Take out 6 parts B2. Insert 6 pieces of B2 into the corresponding holes of J2, B2 pattern side out. Insert the components into the corresponding holes in the model. Take out 6 parts J17. Insert 6 pieces of J17 into the corresponding holes in the model, J17 pattern side facing out. Take out part O27. Take out 8 parts G18. Insert 8 pieces of G18 into the corresponding holes of O27, G18 pattern side out. Take out part J4. Insert the small parts into the corresponding holes of J4. Be careful to align the cross holes. Difficult to install parts. Tweezers can be used to assist in fixing the mounting. Insert the component into the corresponding position of the model. Take out part J3. Take out 6 parts F7. Insert the 6 F7s into the corresponding holes of J3, F7 pattern side out. Insert the component into the corresponding position in the model. Take out part O21. Polishing and waxing O21. Insert O21 into the corresponding position in the model. Take out 2 parts S16. Insert the 2 S16 parts into the corresponding positions in the model. It is necessary to press and insert them to the end. Take out part R22. Insert R22 into the corresponding position of the model, R22 pattern side up. Take out part R29. Take out 6 parts G11. Insert the 6 G11s into the corresponding holes of R29, G11 pattern side facing out. Take out part H23. Align H23 with the holes of the widgets and stack them on top of each other. Insert G8 into the corresponding hole of H23. Take out 4 parts E1. Insert the 4 E1s into the corresponding holes of the widget. Take out 6 parts E3. Insert 6 E3s into the corresponding holes of the widget. Take out 12 parts E2. Insert 12 E2s into the corresponding holes of the widget. Insert the component into the corresponding position in the model.